Hi, I'm Dr. Rasya Dikshit from Dr. Dikshit Cosmetic Dermatology, practicing in Bangalore from the last 15 years. Today we are talking about a common concern for most of us, cracked heels, which are very commonly seen. Cracked heels are usually seen in adults, usually after 30 to 40 years of age, especially in people who have more dry skin, and very common in the winters. Sometimes they even tell me that it starts to bleed when it becomes really bad. So we have to understand there are two types of cracked feet, what we call as the regular cracked heels or fissure foot, and some skin disorders which actually cause cracked feet. For example, psoriasis, lichen planus, keratodermas, which could actually be causing the cracked feet. So what is the way to tell the difference is that cracked feet, if you have the regular variant, it is associated with dryness, it comes on during the winter and it usually heals by itself. But if you have keratoderma or lichen planus or psoriasis, it tends to be more present throughout the year and can have some skin lesions which are there in the other parts of the body as well. But coming back to our original question, how do we deal with fissure foot in the winters? Remember that you have to moisturize. That is the key element to this problem. So immediately after a bath, if you can use a slight pumice stone to remove the excess dirt from the feet, as well as scrape off the dead skin and apply a nice thick greasy moisturizers which have white soft paraffin, and after that you can wear closed shoes. Even indoors, I prefer, at least till the healing happens, wear socks and closed shoes so that the healing happens immediately. It is also important to moisturize in between these two applications of thick greasy moisturizer in the morning and evening. But if you have a job which makes you walk around a lot, I can imagine that it might be more difficult to keep applying moisturizer as walking around may become slippery. So here I usually try to tell my patients to use socks on top of their moisturizer so the soles don't get dirty or the floor doesn't get dirty when they are walking around. Third thing is to improve the amount of essential fatty acids in the diet. So foods such as almonds, flax seeds, fish have a lot of essential fatty acids which make sure that the skin stays hydrated during this winter season. In spite of these treatments, if it is not getting better, you may add on a salicylic acid containing ointment which will help to reduce the thickness of the skin. If your skin is not improving with all these measures, then it is time for you to see a dermatologist. I hope this has been helpful. Thanks for watching.